To embroider the purl stitch, pull the thread to the surface. Then make a tiny stitch slightly above the line of the design. Pull the thread to the surface again and leave the working thread loop opened. Push the needle inside the loop, tighten the loop and make a knot. Repeat the steps to make a second knot. Leave the loop opened. Pull the thread to the surface, pass the needle inside the loop and tighten the thread above the needle. To make the design variations, you can change the distance between the stitches, just like I did in the row above. For the line above, I used 2 strands of purl embroidery stitch. As you can see, knots are slightly bigger and more prominent. This embroidery technique works great for outlines and lettering. On the back side of the embroidery, you will see small vertical stitches.